Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you all are feeling good and enjoying your vacation. This video clip is the second lecture, counted as a second lecture of your chapter 9, kinds of phrases. We have done the journal discussion and the booklet exercise in the previous video. This one video is about your grammar tree book, that is about page 41, chapter 9, kinds of phrases. Okay, see, I'll just tell you about the important words, about important sentences, and then you have to read the whole chapter. Okay, when some words work together as a unit but do not contain a finite verb, they are known as a phrase. So in simple words, what is phrase? Phrase is a phrase is a group of words having no subject, having no verb, having no full meaning if it is used alone, but it will give you a unique meaning if it is used in a sentence. Okay? See? In other words, a phrase is a group of words that doesn't contain a subject or a predicate. फ्रेज़ वो मजमुआ है, वर्ड्स के ग्रुप का वो मजमुआ है जिसमें ना सब्जेक्ट होता है, ना काम करने वाला होता है, और ना उसमें प्रेडिकेट होता है, ना उसमें जिस चीज़ पे काम हुआ है मीन्स, ना उसमें फेल, फाइल और मफूल कुछ भी नहीं होता. ओके, we shall refer to a finite verb as simple as a verb. Finite verb means any verb, that is helping verb and a main verb, doing words. Okay, three different kinds of phrases: adjective phrase, adverb phrase and noun phrase. Then what is adjective phrase? We have studied that a word that modifies a noun or another adjective is known as, in a group of words, that is called adjective phrase. See, a phrase which does the work of an adjective is an adjective phrase. Then is the book on the shelves are for sale. We are talking about the books. Which books? Those books which are on the shelves, which are placed on the shelves, are for sale. So on is your preposition, the is your article, shelves. So we are talking about the books and the shelves. So this one is your adjective phrase. This one is your adjective phrase. Sorry for the handwriting, as the book is very far from me. Sorry for this. Okay. Then is, we saw a bird with beautiful feathers. We saw a bird with beautiful feathers. With what? Which one birds? Having beautiful feathers. So beautiful feathers, that modifies a word noun. So this one is your adjective phrase. Okay. Okay, then is, so this group of words on the shelves doesn't contain any verb. Secondly, the group as a whole describes the noun books. Okay, this group of words is a phrase and does the work of an adjective. That phrase is made up of on the, I've already tell you about this thing. Okay, that we have on which is preposition, the is article, shelf is a noun. Okay, is an adjective, used as an adjective. Okay, so it's here. Then come towards your page 42. See, all of these are, we have studied about this. Don't mess up with this. Okay, just if still you are facing any problem, just listen to that lecture and hopefully you will get that easily. Okay, leave all these things. Then here is a exercise. Pick out the adjective phrase from the following sentences. Some of them I have done it for you, and the rest you will do this by your own self. See, number 1, the books displayed in the glass case are very valuable. Okay, If you remember in the last in the previous video, we have studied that like we will talk about the adjective, okay, and the word that modifies or that adds some more information to that adjective. So that will be your adjective phrase. See, very valuable. Valuable is your adjective. Very valuable is a group of word having adjective. So this one is your adjective phrase. Like the bird singing so sweetly is a nightingale. The bird singing so sweetly is a nightingale. We are talking about the bird, and which one bird? The bird who is singing very sweetly. So that sweetly, that bird who is singing so sweetly is your adjective phrase. So sweetly is your adjective phrase. Number third, the circus camping in the middle of the town will soon go away. See, which one circus? Which one circus are we talking about? We are talking about the circus that is camping in the middle of the town. So in the middle of the town is your adjective phrase, okay? Then is your page 43. You have to do all the exercise by your own self, okay? And kindly please don't get so much confused and worried about all these things. We will do this again and again, okay? Don't worry about this thing. We will do this again. Adverb phrase. Adverb phrase. A phrase, a group of words that modifies another verb or an adverb is called adverb phrase, if you remember the previous lecture, okay? See, with utmost care. With utmost care. Utmost care here it is used as a manner, okay? About an hour. An hour is your adverb of time. In all the bookshops. In all the bookshops. Adverb of place. Because of his preservance. Because of okay, again here is a manner. No, here is your this is your reason, okay? If possible, for possible means they are talking about the conditions, okay? See, utmost care is your manner, an hour is your time, bookshops is your place. See, this is your reason, and the last one was your if possible. This one was a conditional adverb, okay? This one is your page number 44. Page 44, okay? Here is exercise B. Pick out the adverb phrases from the following sentences. Adverb phrase, okay? Like adverb of manner, time, place, frequency, degree. We have studied this. So, the doctor examined the patient with great care. Great care. How the doctor examined the patient? So the doctor examined the patient with great care. So with great care is your adverb phrase. The patient was waiting in a room of the hospital. Where the patient was waiting? The patient was waiting in a room. In a room is your adverb of place. We were building sand castles on the windswept beach. On the windswept beach. So where were you building the sand castle? You were building a sand castle on the windswept beach. On the windswept beach is your adverb of place, okay? So this one is your adverb phrase. Then here is a noun phrase. We have studied about this in the previous lecture. Here is it exercise, like, see, pick out the noun phrase from the following sentence. A phrase that acts like a noun is called a noun phrase. See, getting up early in the morning is a good habit. Getting up early in the morning is a good habit. I couldn't eat the stale, half-burnt pieces of toast. Half-burnt pieces of toast are your noun phrase. I cannot remember the names of people, but I can remember their faces. The names of people are your noun phrases. Read the rest of them and try to do this, okay? Try to do this by your own self. It's quite easy once if you got the lecture. Then it will be easy for you, okay? And yes, it's up to here. Still, if you are facing any problem, don't panic and try to listen to that lecture again and again. That was the previous one lecture, and hopefully inshallah you will get this very soon, okay? And we will also repeat this in the class when the schools reopen again, okay? Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.